welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we will show you how to create this special TKR board with added honeycomb element. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First, you will need to create an 8-inch hexagon from our hexagon stand video. After your hexagon is assembled and the glue is completely dried, the next step is to cut into slices. We will set our table saw to a 1/2 inch. Then, simply slide the hexagon to cut across each of the 6 slides. Repeat until you have several hexagon slices. Arrange your hexagon slices in your desired pattern. Then, use the wood glue to connect them. We chose to glue them by 3 for easier application. Secure them with painter's tape and allow them to dry for 24 hours. Using an 180 grit sandpaper, sand away any imperfections. Once the glue is dry, you can paint or stain them to any color. We are choosing brown for a honeybee theme. You can use the double-sided carpenter's tape to apply your new honeycomb element to your Kiara board. This will allow you to remove it later and use the Kiara board for a different theme. If you would like a permanent connection, you can use a super glue instead. And here you have it, a special TKR board with added element of honeycomb. element for so many different setups, not just Honeycomb. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create. So make sure you tag Decor Lab School when you share your creations on social media. And I will see you in the next video.